Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to stop receiving messages from a specific user. If you want to stop receiving messages from another user in Tradingview, either because you don't find them interesting or for any other reason, you can add that user to your ignore list. Once you've done that, you will no longer see any of the user's public or private messages. The ignore list is a chat feature and only applies to messages specifically. You will still be able to see any and all comments, ideas, or scripts by users on your ignore list. Please note that Tradingview will not notify a user when you add him or her to your ignore list, and there is no limit as to how many users you can ignore. You cannot add a moderator to your ignore list anyhow. By the way, you can easily ignore any user by right-clicking the user and selecting ignore from the context menu. In case you change your mind and you want to be able to see someone's message again, you can open your ignore list, find the name and delete it from the list. As you can see, this is a user here. So ignore, you tap on this icon here and then you go to the option and you see the option for ignore bagpipe. This is the option and then you tap on it. It's as simple as that. That's how to add people to ignore list so you don't have to see their messages. Hope you found this video helpful.